aside some of you who had a problem with me or how I handle things will not see it. So in I'm not acting smart, I'm not acting clever, but that's just what it is. So it's him, asset. I don't know how to make a big screen though.
Why isn't it? I don't even know how to use TikTok, guys. Am I on this thing?
I don't know how to make.
Uzovela wena.
Expand. Is it like that? Oh,
Babe,
expand how? How am I expanding? Hi guys, akusazi-ke niyambona maruma wenu. I don't know how to expand. Ngi-expanda njani bakwethu ukuthi avele la? I don't know how to do this. Mine's expand because it's not my network this time. I think the network, Yamakolon with cannot be mine. Mine is full, you can see. So she muted for now. Maybe she's busy with something. So she muted. Yeah. Okay. It's enough.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good and you?
I'm good. I decided to make this live because I feel like everything started here and it should continue here.
Okay.
So first things first, I want to know, what have I ever done to you?
I'm not going to be doing this again on a live. I'm not doing this again on a live. And I told you I'm only here for 10 minutes just to clarify that we spoke and we are cordial and we are civil to each other. I think other than that, I don't owe any other person but you, Babitang, this conversation which we've already had. So I'm not going to start again with the whole why we started fighting, where it comes from. We've already had the conversation.
So in closing, guys, but never even come
They're expecting a fight. I'm sorry.
In closing, I think what made people so nervous about this whole thing is that the last draw. Ne? So the last draw, guys, Maweni spoke to me about it. And if you see me with her, don't feel like she didn't talk to me aside. She spoke to me about it. We are okay. And there are certain things we won't entertain. But it came to a conclusion that she never did anything to me from where it started. I never did anything to her from where it started. So it was a good thing that we spoke about it, because all this time it was based on the foundation of the conflict between us. It was based on lies.
True.
Yeah, it was based on lies. What she thought, it's not true. What I thought, it's true. It was not true.
And the moral of the story is, if you have an issue, call me. If I have an issue, I will call you. It didn't have to go as far as it went, but I am happy that we were able to talk and resolve the issue as adults. And like I said, I do apologize. I do see my wrongs as much as we spoke, but I'm just not going to get into it on things on this thing, Yalun.
And it's not Monday and Sabo Shame. It's not those two.
Yeah, ba ke sabelo le mo.
Bona bao ba itu ba ska nka credit batho
Ba board ke sana.
No,
Lulwane. Awa. Not
No,
going
they
to
shouldn't
happen.
take credit. They met after we spoke.
Yes, true.
So,
The next day after we spoke, they met.
They met.
Anyway, I'm going to see you on the 25th.
Yeah!
That's a move. And on Sunday, pina eo. Kito e dala pina eo ka how.
You must have bottles. Your table must be full.
Like bloody hell.
I cannot find this like that. You must spend your money about Tikolo Shimola. Something about Tikolo, you must spend it there.
Yeah, like it is spend.
I said, believe.
Don't worry, but friend, I did tell you I gotta go.
Okay.
I don't do these live things. I can't.
But Tumwana, do you ever look at after we spoke, do you ever look at the live and be like, what the fuck was I doing? Like what's alarm?
Every day after we fight in the morning, I am so embarrassed. I wish I could erase the internet, but it is what it is. I can't do that. I'm just very glad that it's over. You know, it's draining. It's too much.
Yo, hona le engwe ntenang.
Dumi kuba untlelle tu. Kuba untlelle. Ulane WhatsApp ya. Ka bua ko WhatsApp. Bona live ilani 68K. Wow. Guys. Wow, guys. Wow. We should have made money. I told you we should have made money. We should have made something like but anyway.
But this is bad. The only thing we can't erase what we said to each other, but we can take the apology that happened.
Yeah, and we can move forward. You know, I mean, like I said to you, it's not gonna be happy roses from day one. We take it one day at a time, and I mean, at least we are old enough or mature enough to move forward and say, you know what, yes, I messed up and I'm sorry. And
also, I'd like to thank Kehlelezi.
Yeah, he also played a major role in this happening.
Too much. It's seeing these two mosquitoes. It's seeing Sabelo and Yo. A shame. And also, I'd like to make a formal apology on TikTok to your husband.
Yeah, and I sent you my message to your husband. I said I will speak to him when I see him Kadi 25.
At 25, yeah.
So, yeah, you know, I'm not one.
I miss you when and you promise you still owe me. So come bora.
I owe you a lot.
You owe me a lot.
You owe me a massage. You owe me. Don't worry.
You owe me.
Actually, I told you what's going on with me, so please take it slow, okay?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ariana.
Too quiet.
Thank you.
No, thank you. But we'll talk on WhatsApp.
I appreciate you.
All right.
Sharp. What is it, Africa? COVID. Hey, Nina. Guys, I'm going to live managing. That was it.